Let's learn about numbers. What is a number? A number is something we use to count things. For example, we use numbers to count our toys, books, and friends. Number 1 to 5. Let's start with the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1 apple. 2 mangoes. 3 oranges. 4 blueberries. 5 strawberries.
Number 6 to 10. Now let's see the numbers 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 6 books. 7 rulers. 8 scissors. 9 pens. 10 pencils.
Number 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Counting on your fingers. Let's count on your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Let's count together. Count the number of balls and rubber ducks. Count the balls. 6. Count the rubber ducks. 10. Great job! Now you know your numbers. See you next time. Thank you for watching.